Curiosity is the most powerful tool you have. It is the spark that leads to knowledge, the drive that pushes you to grow, and the mindset that keeps you ahead in life. The moment you stop seeking knowledge, you stop evolving. And in a world that is constantly changing, staying the same is not an option. The people who succeed, the ones who break barriers, who redefine what is possible, all have one thing in common. They never stop learning. They don't just accept what they already know as enough. They challenge themselves. They read books that open their minds to new ideas. They listen to different perspectives. They surround themselves with people who inspire them, who push them, who force them to think beyond their comfort zones. That's what staying curious means. Knowledge isn't just about education in a formal sense. It's about understanding the world around you, about questioning things, about never being satisfied with the first answer. It's about having the courage to say, I don't know this yet, but I want to learn. Every conversation, every interaction, every moment in life is an opportunity to gain wisdom, but only if you are willing to pay attention. Some of the most successful people in the world didn't start with all the answers. They didn't know everything about their industry, their craft, or their future. But they had the hunger to learn. They had the drive to educate themselves, to seek out knowledge wherever they could find it. And that's what made the difference. Because success doesn't come to those who think they already know everything. It comes to those who are willing to stay open, to be students of life, to keep growing no matter how far they've come. It's easy to get comfortable, to believe that what you know is enough. But the moment you stop learning is the moment you start falling behind. The world is changing at an unbelievable speed. Technology, industries, ideas, even the way we connect with people. If you're not constantly learning, constantly evolving, you risk becoming irrelevant. That's why curiosity is not just important, it's essential. So challenge yourself, read something new, listen to people who think differently than you, have conversations that make you uncomfortable, that make you question your beliefs, seek out knowledge in every form. Because the more you learn, the more you grow, and the more you grow, the more doors will open for you. Never let fear stop you from learning. Never let ego convince you that you know it all. The smartest, most successful people in the world are not the ones who think they have all the answers. They are the ones who never stop searching for them. Stay curious, stay hungry for knowledge. Because the moment you stop learning, you stop growing. And the moment you stop growing, you stop moving forward. The world is evolving every single day. New ideas, new industries, new technologies, everything is shifting. And the people who succeed are the ones who know how to evolve with it. Those who refuse to adapt, who hold on to the way things used to be, who resist learning something new, eventually get left behind. But those who are willing to change, who embrace growth, who educate themselves continuously, those are the ones who rise. Adapting is not about changing who you are, it's about upgrading yourself. It's about being open to learning new skills, new perspectives, and new ways of thinking. It's about understanding that what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow, and instead of fearing that, using it as an opportunity to grow. The most successful people in the world are the ones who refuse to remain stagnant. They reinvent themselves, they stay ahead of the curve, and they refuse to be trapped in old ways of thinking. Think about the industries that have changed dramatically in the last decade. Technology, business, entertainment. Nothing is the same as it was 10 years ago. The leaders, the innovators, the people who continue to make an impact are the ones who learned, who adapted, and who embraced the shifts instead of fighting them. They didn't sit back and say, I already know enough. They asked, what do I need to learn to keep growing? And that mindset is what separates those who stay relevant from those who fade away. It's not just about career success. It's about life. Relationships change, opportunities change. The world around us moves forward whether we're ready or not. And if we're not willing to learn, to adjust, to evolve, we risk being left behind, not just professionally, but personally. The ability to adapt is what keeps us strong, what keeps us moving forward, what allows us to create the kind of life we truly want. Adapting doesn't mean abandoning who you are, it means expanding who you are. It means taking everything you've learned, everything you've experienced, and using it to grow into something even greater. It means saying, I am not afraid to change. I am not afraid to learn. I am not afraid to step outside of my comfort zone and become better. Because the truth is, If you are not growing, you are shrinking. If you are not moving forward, you are falling behind. So don't resist change. Don't hold on to old ways of thinking just because they feel familiar. Instead, challenge yourself to evolve, to learn, to become the kind of person who thrives in any environment, in any situation, in any industry. The world belongs to those who are willing to grow with it. So make the decision today, choose to adapt, choose to learn, and choose to become unstoppable. Because the more you embrace change, the more opportunities will open for you. And the more you grow, the more you will realize that success isn't about staying the same, it's about becoming more. Every single day is an opportunity to become better than you were yesterday. Growth isn't something that happens overnight. It happens in the small choices you make every day. The choice to learn something new, to push beyond your comfort zone, to invest in yourself. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't isn't talent, luck, or background. It's the willingness to keep learning, to keep improving, and to never settle for being the same person today that you were yesterday. It's easy to go through life on autopilot, doing the same things, thinking the same thoughts, staying in the same patterns. But that's not growth. Growth happens when you challenge yourself. When you ask yourself, what have I learned today? How am I better today than I was yesterday? The moment you stop learning, you stop progressing. And the moment you stop progressing, you start falling behind. Some of the most successful people in the world don't just wake up one day at the top. They work for it. They educate themselves every single day. They read, they listen, they observe. They understand that success isn't a one-time achievement. It's a continuous journey. And the only way to stay on that journey is to commit to learning. It's about being intentional, choosing to improve, choosing to grow, choosing to be better than you were before. The truth is, you don't need to make massive changes all at once. You just need to take small steps every day. Read a few pages of a book, watch a documentary, have a meaningful conversation, learn a new skill, challenge your own thinking. The key is consistency. Just like going to the gym strengthens your body, educating yourself every day strengthens your mind, your confidence, and your ability to handle anything that comes your way. The people who achieve greatness are not the ones who think they already know everything. They're the ones who stay curious, who ask questions, who seek out knowledge in every experience. They understand that learning doesn't stop when school ends. It's a lifelong process. Every day is a new opportunity to expand your mind, to gain new insights, to refine your skills. And the more you learn, the more doors will open for you. So ask yourself, are you learning every day? Are you pushing yourself to grow? Or are you settling for what you already know? The most powerful thing you can do for yourself is to commit to learning, to challenge yourself, to embrace growth as a daily habit. Because success isn't about where you start, it's about how much you're willing to grow. Never stop educating yourself. Never stop seeking knowledge. The world belongs to those who are willing to learn, adapt, and evolve. The moment you commit to daily learning is the moment you take control of your future. So make it a habit, make it a priority, and watch how your life transforms.